folks, I have a nice tenor ukulele to show you today. It's a really simple design and I really appreciate it. If I could make a living making instruments this simple, I might figure out a way to do it because I just love the kind of working person's simplicity of a simple ukulele like this. So anyway, this one, the body is just top, back, and sides from some plain Koa, simple Koa from the Carpenter Ant Stash. Although the sides got a little curl in it. A little more interesting in the sides. And then walnut, fretboard, head plate, and bridge. And a fur neck. So, you know, typically a simple tenor instrument like this would probably have a mahogany neck and a ebony or rosewood fretboard. And I just use my kind of mainland sustainable wood replacements for that. And when it comes to Koa, I really don't tend to buy new Koa. I just find salvage stuff or get it from estate sales and things like that. So, but I love the sound of a Koa tenor. This one's got a real bright sparkle to it, but nice sustain too. Yeah, it's nice. So that is number 734. Ready to go. Cheers.